In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix OneDrive full out of storage. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when your OneDrive hits its storage limit, Microsoft will freeze your account, meaning you can no longer sync files, back up to desktop folders, or even receive new emails. So what you want to do is clean up the hidden Outlook email bloat. Microsoft links your OneDrive capacity directly with your Outlook email attachments. Massive video clips or PDFs buried in your email threads are often the hidden cause of a full drive. So what you want to do is open up OneDrive, like the browser version, look at the lower left corner, and then you might see a label called Manage Storage, or just click on your storage icon. It's then going to bring up a Manage Storage section, and then it's going to say Free Up Space. I can then choose OneDrive, and I can also choose Outlook Attachments. By default, Windows 11 forces your active desktop documents and picture folders to continuously upload. So if there is anything that is being uploaded, you can turn off sync and backup as well, and then you should be good to go. I can even obviously upgrade my storage plan if I want to. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.